10 most beautiful red animals in the world. Scarlet ibis, native, South America and Caribbean. Red panda, native, Himalayan. Northern cardinal, native, North America. Ladybug, native, worldwide. Red squirrel, native, Europe, Asia and parts of North America. Cherry salmon, native, North America and parts of Asia. Blood red glider, native, Central Africa. Strawberry poison dart frog, native, Central America. Siamese fighting fish, native, Southeast Asia. Scarlet macaw, native, Central and South America. Thanks for watching. For more interesting video, kindly like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.